Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it's time to harvest some more collard greens. So it's the fall, and these collard greens have been very productive. I planted them back in February from seed, and it's now, today is November 2nd. So since September, the collard greens have been really productive. So I need to keep up with them. I need to keep harvesting every 2 weeks. So I have these right here. I'll show you the other set right there around this pom-pom juniper. So these are probably only 5 or 6 plants. So I'll go ahead and harvest some. So that's the one set. The second set is right here. So I lost one that was here, but there's some more here. So as you can see, they're looking great. So I don't know when I'm supposed to to stop harvesting from collard greens, but just in case, I went ahead and planted some in this for this fall season. So these are the ones I planted. I think I put a video about on when I was planting these and when I started the seeds. So these right here will probably be, I'll probably need to start harvesting them in the winter time, maybe in about 2 to 3 months. So those, see the comparison. So those ones versus these. And I planted another set around this peach tree right here. So right there. And the brown stuff, I just fertilized the collard greens again. So this will probably be ready in the next few months. So this is the second bed. The other set is back there. So I'll go ahead and get started harvesting these ones right here. So I leave just a few leaves at a few colors at the top, but every 2 weeks I have to do this, and they are now growing pretty fast and pretty vigorously. So, and this here is just one, but it grew side branches, which has been really great, honestly. And they're very healthy. No bugs, nothing. They're all very, very clean. This is also probably just one plant. Oh no, these are two. Okay, there are two that have now fused together. So this bed seems to have had only five plants. But look at how healthy these are, how great these look. Okay, I think I'm done with this bed. And as severe as these look, in 2 weeks they'll be full again. Especially now that we have a lot of rain. We've had a lot of rain in the last week, and we have more rain coming in the next week. So let's get this one. This is also probably 5 plants. I don't think they're more than 6. So let's get this one as well. So these are also looking good. There are no insects. They look healthy. The back, I don't see anything, which is a good sign. The heat has reduced, so pest pressure has pretty much gone away for us. So I'll do this one. This one next. So now that I'm harvesting often, if I don't cook what I harvest this on the same day that I mean, if I don't cook what I harvested on the same day, I freeze them. And there's a video on the channel about how I process them for freezing. Some people blanch them, but for me, I just chop them up, wash them thoroughly, and put them in the freezer, and that should be, they're fine. Okay, so this is the last one here. It's quite massive. I think that it has 2 lateral shoots, so that's why it's quite large. quite amazing that a few seeds resulted in all of this. It's something really. This is probably my largest harvest in the last few weeks. Over the last few weeks. Okay, so that's done. See, so they're all finished, and in another 2 weeks we'll be doing this again. So I'll go ahead and process these, probably cook half of them, the other half I'll freeze up. So all right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.